Jordan brand has made history by creating its first ever Air Jordan made exclusively for EKINs, honoring the people who have represented Nike on the front lines since 1981. This special Air Jordan 1 Low celebrates the 40th anniversary of the Air Jordan 1 while highlighting the shared mindset between Michael Jordan and EKINs, built around the message "never not working." That phrase reflects dedication, preparation, and passion, values that define both Jordan's legacy and the EKIN role. This marks the 6th EKIN-exclusive promotional shoe, following models like the Air Force 1, Dunk, Cortez, Bruin, and Air Max 1. What sets this release apart is its deeper storytelling and strong connection to Jordan brand heritage. Limited to only 200 individually numbered pairs, it is one of the most exclusive shoes Nike has ever produced. Design details include dusk-to-dawn color blocking, EKIN Orange accents, unique heel embroidery, special lace aglets, and a Jumpman Skyline sock liner. This pair will never release to the public and will be gifted only to EKINs, making it truly special.